Okay, so we've got this iPhone 7 here. Oh. And it's got the classic audio problem. Go to voice memos, try to record. Doesn't do anything. Nada. Okay, we go into settings here. Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi is looking good. Alright, so let's go ahead and see if we can get this fixed. iPhone 7 with a sound problem. Okay, so I get the logic board out. We're going to go ahead and get it under the microscope over here. Let's get it done. Alright, this one was underfilled. You can see that. All that black stuff on the copper IC there, that's all underfill. Bad stuff, dangerous. Okay, let's check it out. All cleaned up now. You can see my jumper wire up there in the top left. We just put it on the loonie there for you, bud, so you can get a little bit of a size kind of thing there, eh? So now we've got the phone all back together. We're going to go back now into voice memos. See if we can make a recording. Hey, look at that. Check, 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 check. Okay, let's hear the playback. See if we can make a recording. There we go. Look at that. Check, 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 check. Okay, this was dropped off at 9 o'clock. As you can see, it's now 9:45 and a couple of customers have come in. So we get them done fast.